Hey guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to publish your website on Google Sites. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first step is open up sites.google.com, sign into your account, and now find that website on Google Sites you like to publish. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this recent site here I made called Create Event. Now, in order to publish it, once we're inside of here, on the far right hand side of the page, top right hand corner, click on publish. Then from here it will say publish to the web. So now we can give this a web address. I'm just going to call this Create Event. Hopefully it's not taken, and now if it's not taken, it's kind of come with a blue tick, but be mindful a lot of sites are taken inside of sites.google.com. Then from here below this it will say who can view my site. We can click on anyone. We can manage this if we like. If we want to just have it restricted public, we can change that to restricted if we like, or anyone with a link. So I'm just going to leave that as is. Then from here, search settings, we can also request public search engines not to display my site. So if you want to do that, click that. Then from here, click on publish. Now this is going to say publishing after that. Then at the bottom of the site, it's going to say your site has been published. Now to view your site, click on the publish again, a little drop down arrow, and click on view publish site. Now it should take you to the home page of your Google site. So here it is here, sites.google.com, view, create event, home.